What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So on today I'm just going to be doing a, what do you call it, a ninja bun with Chinese bangs. So it's probably not necessarily a ninja bun, it's probably just a top knot bun. But oh my gosh, y'all, dismiss my niece in the back, she a hot mess. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing, so I'm not gonna really talk much. I'm just gonna let it play. If you are interested in seeing how it turns out, stay tuned. Y'all, my hair is so thick. Like, it is so ridiculously thick. It looks thin because I put a relaxer on it, but obviously it didn't take still. But yeah. So I know y'all saw in my last video, I tried to do baby hairs. I do not do baby hairs. Like, I do not know what I'm doing whatsoever. I try so hard to do baby hairs, but trust me, I do not know what I'm doing. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm supposed to put some edge control on the edges, and then I'm supposed to swoop them and make this little squiggly design, I guess. Girl, look, I don't know. I really don't. This is just what I saw people do, and I don't know. I'm just watching videos on how to do this and trying to figure it out, but I don't know what I'm doing. That first one looked good though. Clearly I didn't know what I was doing. So my niece is like a pro at doing edges This is just what she does. So I let her take over. Literally from this point on, she took over, and girl, she ended up doing my whole bun for me. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Watch. She wasn't playing. She was like, I'm gonna fix this because it's not cute. She said, Auntie, it's not cute. Y'all, I have the most wildest, craziest, funniest nieces ever. They play too much. But I love them. Like, my gosh. I would have them in every video if I could because they're just them, and look at them. See, but they're the best. I love my nieces, y'all. Told y'all she was gonna take over. Like, this hairstyle literally only happened because she took over. Because I feel like I was doing it wrong anyways, but it still came out cute though. The bangs were a little thin because I didn't know how much hair I was supposed to leave out. But from what I saw, it didn't need to be a lot. And I don't wear bangs like that anyway, so yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Like I said, it's my birthday, so I had to do something different.
Featuring I.
Featuring her. That's Kalia. She a mess. Okay. But yeah, this is the finished look. Let me show y'all so y'all can see. Yeah. I don't wear makeup, so I'm not gonna put on any type of makeup. But happy birthday to me!
Why my eyebrow look like that? Look, it's unorthodox.
Why do it look like that?
Look, this one goes straight down. This one goes. There, look. This one goes straight down. This one goes.
So thank y'all for watching and bye.